Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add Autotune in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of GarageBand, where as you can see, we can scroll to find all the instruments that we can play, we can find our sound recorder to get started recording, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how we can add Autotune to our voice when we want to record ourselves. So we're going to go ahead and open up the audio recorder option right here. This is going to open up the recording menu where you can get started recording yourself. So as you can see right here at the top of the screen, we have the big red circle that is going to be the recording start. So if you want to record yourself singing, rapping, doing whatever, you can click that button and it's going to start the recording process. After that, you can click on the stop button, that's going to stop it, and now we can get started adding our effects. So you can see here are our effects that we can add. We have the monster effect, so we can change our voice to a monster and so on. You can go ahead and find your perfect use of the effect right here. As you can see, we have the extreme tuning, so here you can manage your pitch, control, space. This is the most the option that you want to use for your Autotune if you want, so you can go and select whatever effect. And now in the upper left corner right here, once you click the sliders button, it's going to open up this audio recorder track settings where we can get started with our plugins and equalizer. So we have our compressor, treble, bass, and so on, and we have our master effects such as echo and reverb that you can get started with adding to your voice to make it sound the way you want and to add your effects. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.